The king who tried to bridge two worlds was destroyed by both. It's 1953, Baghdad, Iraq. 23-year-old King Faisal II comes of age, determined to modernize his ancient kingdom. He brings electricity to Baghdad's streets and builds new schools. He supports Palestinian rights, winning praise from Arab crowds. He believes Iraq can be the bridge between East and West. For a time, he seems to balance everything perfectly, but then he joins the Baghdad Pact with Britain and Turkey. Egyptian radio calls him a Western puppet. When he supports Britain during the Suez Crisis, Arab nationalism turns against him. The same forces he tried to channel now want him gone. On July 14, 1958, free officers storm the royal palace at dawn. Machine guns echo through the halls. The young king falls with his entire family. Their bodies are dragged through Baghdad's streets as crowds celebrate the end of monarchy. The king who wanted to unite Arab and Western interests was Faisal II of Iraq.